when do we use a Sunburst chart? Look at this small data set. We have sales, marketing, and IT departments. Within sales department, we have inside sales and field sales team. Within marketing, we have digital ads and outreach team. Within IT department, we have development and support team. And here we have employee counts for each team. So when you see something like this, Sunburst is best for visualizing it. So let's select our data set, go to Insert tab, Recommended Charts, and the first one that pops up is Sunburst, and this is how it looks like. And it is best for showing hierarchical relationships between categories, like a multi-level pie chart. So as you can see here, I might want to see these labels inside here. So as you may have noticed, at the inner part of the circle we have the departments, and then at the next level we have the teams. And now I want to click this plus icon to include the data labels inside of this Sunburst chart. So click value, and there they are showing. And my favorite way of separating is using a new line like that. So that's basically how to use a Sunburst chart.